me.
There's a creature with eyes as there he is. There he is. It's a shark. Oh, did you see that tail? Did you see peekaboo? There's a blue whale. Did you see that? Oh, the creatures of the ocean. Blue. Now, can you name a few? You're just sitting there. Oh, there's a creature. Here it comes. There's the red crab. Look at this. Something's in the cave. What's that? Grandpa was over there. There he is. There he is.
Let's try this one.
What's this one? Something in the dark. He's a purple octopus. Isn't that great? Who is hiding in that sea anemone? Orange glasses. Oh, there's a creature with eyes as black. All right, here it comes.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see the tail splash from below? Here it comes. What the hell? We're going to show this to Lauren Andrews. Yes, we are, because she gave me this book, and it's your favorite. It's your favorite.
What's that? Oh, look how shiny.
Who's this over here, Grandpa? Somebody on the other side? Look at that. Oh!
You love to turn the pages, don't you?
Yeah, look at this book. It's the best book ever. Lauren picked the best book, and I told her. Okay, Grandpa, get ready. Get ready. Yeah, can you pull it out? Can you grab it? Here, grab it right there. Grab it.